So we got all the drums down now. Now what we need to do is we just need to add in the 808. So let's go ahead and add in the 808. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in the Spinz. For the Spinz, obviously you want to make the square effect so you have manual control over when the sound stops and starts. And then for the end, I'll usually bring it to like 5% and the out about 20%. And usually for 808s, if I'm using someone's loop, usually what I do is I like to follow the bass MIDI as a starting point. So we just open up the bass sub, throw it on the audio editor, and then detect the pitch regions, and then basically just follow the notes that the pitch regions tell you. Looks like it starts off in D minor. Also, what you can do too is if you're not sure, you can bring in, usually I like to do this a lot. I'll start off with FL keys, and I'll lay the pattern down to match the bass sub with FL keys, and then just copy and paste it onto the 808. Alright, cool. So now that we got that, I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, copy and paste it, or cut and paste it over to the 808. And velocity all the way up. You just hit Control L, huh? Boom. Alright, cool. So that sounds pretty good. I'm going to swap out the chant real quick. That one. Alright, that sounds way better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put these in the mixer channel, and we're going to mix the drums real quick.